Look at that gap. Just snip, snip, y'all. I ain't gonna miss that. What? What's good, y'all? It's me, your girl Felicia Marie, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. Your girl want to trim a little bit along the front of my hair today, and I kind of need y'all help. The problem that I've been running into is that I have some longer pieces here in the front, which is causing a little bit of gap on the side, and I was like, okay, this shorter lock look is a whole vibe for me. I'm liking it. I'm feeling it. It's different. What I wanted to do was trim like 2 locks on each side of my hair because I don't know what this is doing. I'm tired of looking at it, and what I've been doing is just trying to camouflage it like that and pull the shorter pieces over to kind of give it this. But let me show y'all my hair while I'm at it. See, them parts is definitely bigger. Okay. And so I am moisturizing my hair with some water. And I'm about to go ahead and cut this area in the front of my head. I do have on a towel. I'm about to jump in the shower. But before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and do this with y'all. So, just want to show you what I'm doing. I was moisturizing with water. And my situation was when I trimmed my hair, before I put in my new set of locks, I did it trimming it upward. And the problem that I'm having is when you pull it forward, I have a few locks that are longer than the rest. And they some cute curls too, so this particular one here is a little bit more transparent, if you can see, but this one doesn't really have the curl at the end, so I'm probably gonna have to unravel it some and twist it back up just to give it that little coil. Y'all know we like them ends to be coily, curly, whatever texture hair you have. We just want that nowadays. That's where we are. So let's see here. So, because this is throwing me off, got my handy dandy shears. I am going to pull this forward like this. Try to get a side angle. Here we go. And I'm going to, if y'all can see, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see. I'm going to just snip it to kind of even it out. You can see what I did. That is so much better. OMG. And this is what we missing. That cute little coil. Ah, it's cute though, but we're gonna be all right. And I'm also gonna do it to the other side of my hair. Let me spread a little bit, let it frizz up. I'm not gonna unravel it if it may do it on its own. But let's kind of see how that's blending in. It's pretty much even to the best of my ability all the way around the parameters of my hair to give me more volume and fullness with the hair that I had left over from my takeout. So yeah, y'all, that is so much better. I mean, it still doesn't feel this gap, but at least it's not that long piece just laying in my face. This works a lot better. So I'm happy with that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It just gives a longer layered look in the front. So I'm going to spray up the other side of my hair. I parted off in sections. And I also look at my ends. I do have a few videos coming up for you guys. Because I am approaching 2 months. I'm approaching 2 months. So For those of you who was waiting to see another lock takedown, okay, your girl is on her way. I don't see no loose ends or pieces. I've been doing things a little bit differently this time around. You know, it's almost like having that second baby for those of you that got more than one kid. Biologically, I only got one. But this like my my new baby. And I'm doing things differently. Same situation over here with the end. Let me spray. And let's take a look at these curls. They are so cute. Oh, but they gotta go. So again, you pull it up. Oh, well, this one look a little bit longer from the top pulled up, but we about to pull it to the front or the side, whatever I did on the other side, and we gonna snippy snip. Try to even that out some. Let's see. Whatever. I kind of don't want to cut this one. I did it. It's gone while we at it. I hope I caught that. But here we go. It's still long, but it blends in better than it did. Let's spray them ends. All right, let's see what we got going on here, y'all. Pull this to the front a little bit. Let's see. Rake it to the front. I mean, it's still longer, but I think it blends better. We're gonna leave it at that. I ain't gonna cut too much of my hair. And fluff it out a little bit. And this is the final look. Want to thank y'all for tuning in. Got more content coming soon, so don't sleep on your girl. But as always, I want to thank you for tuning in. If you like this content or you're curious to see where I go along this journey, smash that subscribe button. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace, y'all.